Truck maintenance taboos are numerous, and understanding them is crucial to ensuring the safe operation of trucks. Here are some common taboos. 1. Tightening bolts too much. Many people mistakenly believe that the tighter the bolts, the safer the truck. In reality, many components of the truck have specified torque requirements, and over-tightening can lead to bolt breakage or thread slippage, causing malfunctions. 2. Adding oil without changing it. When the engine is running, unburned fuel can enter the oil, and the accumulation of impurities such as carbon can contaminate the oil, even causing bearing burning. Therefore, oil needs not only to be added but also changed regularly. 3. Disorderly application of grease. Grease, as a lubricant, can adversely affect the performance of a diesel engine when applied haphazardly. For instance, applying grease indiscriminately on cylinder gaskets or nuts may affect the sealing properties and even lead to nut loosening. These are maintenance taboos that should be avoided. For both experienced truck drivers and newcomers, understanding these taboos is key to ensuring the prolonged safe operation of trucks.